Now, for example number 3. So, use a graph to find the value of velocity. Okay, since it's physics, no? V is in feet over per seconds of falling body when the given time t is 5 seconds. Use the variation equation V equals 10. Related graph is a line. Okay, syempre, direct variation yan. Therefore, we need only 2 points to construct it. Now, to get those 2 points, ang gawin na natin, mag-a-assign tayo ng dalawang values for t. Okay? So, ang sabi kasi dito, ang equation na gagamitin natin for variation is V equals 10t. Okay? So, ang una natin gagawin is, when t is equal to 1, okay, then by substitution, we can see that V is equal to 10 times 1. Ginamit natin itong original equation na to. Okay? So, therefore, we can say na ang V natin, the first velocity is equal to 10. Okay? Because 10 times 1, that is equal to 10. So, meron tayong first V. So, when we plot it in our graph here, on the left side, ito yung first second natin. So, angat lang tayo, tatapatan na natin yung 10. So, dito yan. The first point. Okay. Also, we have t equals 2. So, if t is equal to 2, then by substitution, once again, V is equal to 10 times 2. Then, we have the velocity of 20. Okay, so we have 2 seconds here. Aangat tayo. Tatapatan niya yung 20 na velocity dito. Ayan. Okay, so, meron tayong dalawang coordinates. 1 and 10. Also, ito yun, no? 1 and 10. We have also 2 and 20, respectively. So, the graph is shown here sa left side natin. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is to locate naman, no? Sabi dito, to locate yung 5 seconds. No? Hanapin daw natin yung velocity nun. So, para mahanap natin, our t would be 5. If our t is equal to 5, then the velocity is, by definition, our formula is 10 times 5, which is the time. Then it would become v is equal to 50. Our velocity would be 50. Therefore, our coordinating points is 5, then 50. So, saan makikita yun? Ito yung 5 seconds, and angat tayo ng 5. Ito, tinapatan yung 50. And we all know that direct variation is a line. So, it is extended infinitely. Now, depende sa kung anong gusto ninyo. So, this is the graph. It looks like. Okay? We can be able to see the graph. No? Actually, kahit extend mo na lang ito, dumayo tayong dalawang points. Sabi kasi use the graph eh. So, pag in-extend mo lang yung straight yan, tatama talaga yan dito sa ano. Yung 5 seconds natin, yan, ito, di ba? Pag inangat natin yan, tumama yung point na yon sa ating line graph, then, tatapatan niya lang yung 50. Automatic yun. So, ito yung hinahanap natin. Yung hinahanap natin is 5 and 50. Using the graph, no, we can say na mahahanap din natin yung velocity ng ating mismong given time. Okay? Kapag given na yung time at yung graph, mahanap natin yung velocity nun. Okay? So, pero ang ginamitan dito yung mismo equation para hindi na tayo mas mahirapan. Okay? So, with that, allow me to share this practice makes progress number 3. Okay? Again, write it on your notebook and use this particular method to basically find this answer.